Uh, Ravina, welcome to Bangalore. Wow, what an honor this is. You're in Bangalore. I can see all the cameras going off out there. So much love, so much respect for who you are, what you've done. To begin with, let me congratulate you on KGF2. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for her. How amazing was she? Ramika Sen, powerful, strong, incredible. Yes, Huske Marenge and all that. Welcome to Bangalore.
Namaskaram, and I'm very happy to be here in, like I say, my Bengaluru, because I have been associated with the film industry of Kannada films for a very long time. And in fact, my first Kannada film that I did was a film called Upendra. And that song has still become so synonymous with me, which was it was Mast Mast Hurigi, and yeah, and everyone remembers that whenever I step into Bengaluru, Namma Bengaluru, and everyone starts talking about that song, and that's something that is will be a treasured memory for me lifelong. And then the love that everybody gave to KGF1 and to KGF2, and I can vouch and say for a fact that the nicest people in this country live in Bengaluru. I believe me, I vouch for that, and I've had that great experience working with the people of Karnataka all the time. And it's whether it was my earlier experiences or even now, whether it's Yash's family or Prashant's family and the entire team of KGF2, and of course all the love that y'all have given me. How many of y'all have seen Andaz Apna Apna? Yes. Y'all remember that crime master Gogo ka Ghagra? That's what's happening to me. Gogo ka Ghagra today. I'm carrying my Ghagra and roaming around everywhere. Okay, you continue. Sorry, I take too much of your time.
No, I did not. Now that you mentioned Andaz Apna Apna, I think Rajkumar Santoshi's Andaz Apna Apna, how amazing was she? Give her a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. She's incredible. Now, I tell you what, you know, if you watch that movie, it's such a clean movie. There's no slapstick humor out there, no double entendre, there's no double meaning. Ravina, Karishma, Ravina. And that's the kind of movies that she actually stands for. I can give her a big round of applause, yes. Now that you set the ball rolling, what makes it truly great, ladies and gentlemen, apart from those incredibly amazing cult entertainment movies, are movies with a cause, you know. I think, Ravina, you were ahead of your times, you know, the movie like Daman that you made at the time, that spoke about marital rape rather, at the time about, the women getting harassed, marital rape, who speaks about it? Even now people don't speak about it, ladies and gentlemen. Still taboo.
It's still being debated in the Supreme Court. After 23 years, we came out with Daman in 2000. Correct. And today, 23 years down the line, we still haven't legalized marital domestic violence and rape. So, wow. But there will be progress, surely.
And ladies and gentlemen, to do a movie like that, and it's standing for a cause. Talking about a cause like that, there's one more movie called Matra. Wow. And ladies and gentlemen, why do I gush about her? Why do I get so inspired about her? Because I was watching this interview where she says, I had met victims of rape. I had met Nirbhaya's mother, Asha Devi. And I strongly wanted to make a movie like Matra because I feel an incident like this should just not be forgotten from public memory. Give her a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. You've got to keep the flame burning, keep that alive. Speak a little bit about it.
I've been told behind that we are short on time, so muffle him first. Muzzle him, sorry. Well, about Matra, I'm sure a lot of women, a lot of parents, and a lot of men also present here this evening will realize that such a horror never ever befall anyone, any parent, any mother who has to go through, any parent that has to go through. We saw Dr. Aishwarya speak about her parents. We know what family means to all of us. Our culture is built that way. And then for something like this to happen, and it was sad that we needed a daughter like Nirbhaya to sacrifice her life to teach us to pull up our socks and strengthen our laws, start a Nirbhaya squad, get the juvenile age to go higher. That happened in 2016 in December. and so many other things. We have the Nirbhaya Fund, and realizing that how necessary it is for us to sensitize our sir is sitting here, our police force also towards women. They've done a great job, so big round of applause for our police force all over our country. But yes, also to sensitize them and how to treat and also support a victim at this hour of need. So yeah, that was what Matra was all about, because often what happened was that a victim would have to go through shame not only once but again and again and again, and then in court. But now, touchwood, our laws are so strong in our country, more than anywhere else in the world. I think India holds the strongest laws supporting women. So that's a big cheers.
I, ladies and gentlemen, stand muzzled. Time to move on. Thank you. Give Ravina a big round of applause. What an inspiration. Ravina, before you go, before we say goodbye, my friends warned me that I should wear armor and come. You know why? Because you to akhiyon se goli mare, you know. Alright. Staying in front of the cops. You know, she will continue. She will continue akhiyon se goli mare because she's such a strong believer in organ donation, ladies and gentlemen. What a personality. Give her a big round of applause. She's pledged her organs are strong. Alright, you were amazing. You know, ladies and gentlemen, she's on a journey. She's not well. She's coughing, but she smiled and clapped away. How amazing are you? Time to say goodbye and time to say, okay, bye, Shabir. Yeah.
I think you also made it easy for me. You said such sweet things that I wanted to be here and hear all what he says. So thank you so much for being an amazing host for this evening. And
Thank you, Ravina. Thank you so much.
I do have to say I've been on a lot of award functions, yes, but the kind of response that all of you winners are giving to other winners as well is applause worthy. So big round of applause for y'all, because y'all have been amazing this evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you, goodbye, and have a wonderful evening. Can I hear a big round of applause for Ravina, ladies and gentlemen?